What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grab's Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 BMW XM Label. So this is the most powerful production BMW ever made, with 738 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, 4.4 liter twin turbo V8, and also has electric motor for electric assistance as well, and you can get between 30 to 40 miles of electric range in this car. This one had an original MSRP of $189,000, so definitely an expensive vehicle. And this is a 24 model, and it's roughly around 100K now, so that's a great value if you're looking at an XM to get the highest trim and the most powerful production BMW for basically almost half off. But anyways, this one has a Bowers & Wilkins sound system, cool carbon fiber shift paddles. This one has the really cool roof with like the lights. It's really, really nice, but you can't really open the sunroof because, you know, it has this. Put the vehicle in reverse. You have a 360 view backup camera. Here's the center console. And performance seats. And the other day I just made a video on the X5M competition 2024, so I'm going to see how this one compares to that in terms of driving experience and everything. If you want to check out that video, be sure to do so. You also have massaging seats, which is nice. But let's walk around this XM Label and see what it looks like. I really love the Bowers & Wilkins speaker grills, but this is basically the most expensive BMW. So if you want to make a statement, that's what this car's for. And it's a plug-in hybrid, so you can plug it in over there for that 30 to 40 miles of electric range. So great hybrid, best of both worlds, essentially. And this one has like a matte finish. Just gotta make sure the door's a little bit open, but it has soft closed doors, so I bet it's gonna try to close on its own. So the grill lights up at night. It looks pretty interesting. You also have like the black wheels with the red accents on the label. I think it used to be called the red label, but then they changed it to just label. The rear seats are pretty spacious, and you even have pillows. I didn't know that. That's pretty funny. So it's definitely a more luxurious vibe in the back seat with this extra legroom and the pillows. You also have the beautiful Bowers & Wilkins speakers. So nice. I love it. You have quad outlet exhaust. Definitely a very distinctive design on this car, gotta say that. There's no BMW logo on the center, it's on the glass. And here's the trunk. Pretty decent space. Hey, this one actually looks pretty cool. You see how it says BMW over there? But let's get this car on the road now. See what it's like to drive. And you have a wireless charging tray. Very interesting sound with the hybrid. But let's see what this car's made of. I had an absolute blast driving that X5M competition. If you guys saw that video, it was a blast to drive. I still can't believe how fast these BMW M SUVs are. It's mind-blowing. And how fun they are to drive in terms of like power delivery, transmission, and everything like that. Man, I already know that this car is gonna feel just like that. It does 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. Whoa. That is fast. Oh my god. The transmission is so violent, I love it. Oh my god, this thing is so fast. That is just mind-blowing power. Holy. That is insane. Absolutely insane power. And it's just so aggressive too. Despite being like a plug-in hybrid, that doesn't make it like less fun to drive or anything. It's just like monster power. And the transmission just feels so sharp. It's just so fun as downshifting. You also have like a boost mode. That's amazing. And it just gets up to speed so fast. Wow, that is awesome. This car is really fun to drive. That boost mode was crazy. And it starts like, you know, downshifting. You can see that once you like kind of slow down. This is my first time driving an XM, and I'm very impressed with this drive. It is awesome. Despite its size, it handles really well too. You know, that's pretty cool. Oh my god, that is crazy. Just like the X5M, it's like rearing to go. Like the car just has so much power. I mean, 738 horsepower. You can't really be surprised. Honestly, I can't even be surprised that it's ready to move, you know, with that kind of power on tap. It's pretty awesome. And now for the rest of the drive, we'll just cruise in this more normal setting, see what it's like when we're not driving and trying to drive in like a spirited manner. I just put it in the complete comfort modes now. But yeah, it is a very comfortable ride. The seats are really comfortable. You feel nice and elevated above the road. I love the seats in this thing. They're awesome. Even like the normal modes, the car is just so ready to go. Like at any given moment, you can put your foot down and you will not have any hesitation that this car will just rocket right off the bat, and not give any, and not seem like it's hesitating at all. Wow. Now that was a really fun drive in this BMW XM label. Absolute blast to drive, insane power. And again, if you want to make a statement in the car you drive, this XM label will definitely do it for you. It really stands out, and it better stand out for the original MSRP of $189,000. But overall, really great experience. Thanks for watching another video of Droop Drives, and thanks to Alex and the team here at Grubbs Volvo Grapevine for giving me access to this BMW XM label. If you're interested in this vehicle, be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below. Thanks for watching Droop Drives, and please consider subscribing if you enjoyed. I'll catch you all in the next video.